Yagni benta jonga kubor la one raspi daga fatafat online shopping store.
Menteri ka koi ka khia jong ka jala hne ka arpnyo tarik unai tung arja arpo lambor MLA ka molai ba process ti sau kame u director ka DHSMI u Dr. Mawtawar u BDO ka molai community and rural development block u ba Peter Tipasa kila lej ban jurep iki katu ka ni containment zone ki ba hamolai khnang ban lej aimen se mi ki paj ba ki basa hakini ki thain.
We have visited few containment zone and also containment area. First, we went to Molai Nong Pedeng, Molai Nong Lo. Then we have visited with the COVID-19 committee, discussing with them, with all the members of the Darbar Shnong, then the Seng Samla and also the COVID management committee, along with the local MLA, honorable local MLA, PT Saukmi, DHSMI, and also from the administration, the BDO were present, and also the DMHO, RiKhasi Hills, along with the doctors, health workers of the health department. From there, we went to Molai Umjayur, meeting again the same people with the COVID management committee. Then there also we have explained what is the protocol of the health advisory to follow. Then from there we went to Molai Umshing. From Molai Umshing also we meet the Darbar Shnong, the committee of the COVID management. Then there also we have briefed them. Dr. Mawtawar, who is the expert, medical expert, have given the detailed briefing on the protocol of the how to stay safe and also to contain from the COVID-19. And from there we went to Mawtawar. From Mawtawar, that also the same thing, and the Vashno also explained many things. So there also they have few health worker which is detected positive.
Habikram Klapathai Kubor Hadin Kajing Jurip Ubahek Ulai Thu Bakajing Don Kisawan Kibi of COVID-19 Mawtawar Klapulan Kashnong Bandan Hapoka containment zone. Henry the Kajing Ujing Nam Chikibupon Kinong Shong Shnong Ubahek Ulapante Bakila Banweng no Ekamawtawar Naka containment zone Barkataru Kanlong Hadin Kajikran Shuaja Katraka Koikakia Barkinong Sanshar Kanika Shnong.
So we have already given responsibility to the administrations, the health department, and also the COVID management committee to sit and decide and which area to be declared as the containment area.